you doing, everybody? Here it is, Sunday morning at the Cyclekart workshop. Steve Vinson's here, and we're gonna open up the chassis here, so let's see how it goes.
You did a good job packaging this thing. Oh yeah. When you get your Renegade Cyclekart, this is how it's going to show up. Get some more razor blades. Alright.
Oh, that's cool how they do the supports for the bearing.
Yeah.
For the differential.
We're seeing this for the first time.
That's a new item. I don't think any of the chassis. So this is a prototype for the differential. Yeah.
Oh, they got this. The zip tie holding it in.
So we finished unboxing, and you can see here's the motor plate. These are the braces for the differential bearings. This will be the first chassis that gets a differential. A little chassis plate. These threaded inserts are nice. Yeah, that's going to work out. Here's the front axle.
Back on the get it on there.
Okay, Steve's making the bend for the bottom of the floorboard, the side piece.
Perfectly straight up.
Yep, that's your 90. All right, this is 50 thousandths aluminum. All right, nice looking piece.
Looks pretty good. All right, do that a couple more times.
All right.
Get locked down. All right.
All right.
Lovely.
Yep, two nice looking
All right,
pieces.
first parts are ready.
Beautiful. Well, we have a few more helpers showed up. Steve's dad, Danny's here, and Carlos is here, and they're putting on tires. And I'll give them credit, they got the first one done. And then Danny put some of the hop-up equipment on the engine, and Steve's making parts for the floorboard. So you can see where we're heading with this. It's going to be flat and then angle up, stop about 2 inches below the chassis. That will yield 4.5 off the ground when we're done.
That was rather painless. A little quicker.
All right, getting the hang of it, are you? All right, we're trying to get the motor going.
Give a little choke.
No, they started the first pull while we go.
There we go. All right, success. Well, we can
Sitting
fine
inside.
tune it. Hardly had any oil in
You can
it.
see how much gas you got.
And so we put fresh oil in it and
Yeah.
fresh gas. And
Put a hop-up kit on the end. New carburetor from Amazon with the header kit. A little air cleaner for the valve cover. New spark plug came in the kit. What else was in there? That was about it. No, there didn't come
Yeah.
up with a timing key. So
and then the header and muffler.
yeah, so this didn't get the timing key, which we might do that later. But for now, this.
Yeah, it's all stock in here.
Yeah.
Throttle plate.
Yeah, I think this carburetor just has an upgraded jet to accommodate the air cleaner. We
Okay.
have to upgrade the jets.
All right, nice.
Well, we know it runs, so.
Yep, we know it
Get
runs.
purring like a kitten.
We mounted 5 tires. Right there.
Little comedy of errors. We gotta hand it to Danny and Carlos. They got all the tires and tubes on it, and they're holding air. I do believe. What'd you put? 35 pounds in them.
Yeah, about 30, 35.
All right. Nice work.
What's that?
Okay.
Hey, bounce.
Very balanced.
Yeah. That was happy.
Now you can hand it off to Carlos now. Oh yeah.
And that one. This one will leave off because I got to take this panel out still. We'll try it a little bit.
While you guys are marking and drilling those, we'll get this ready to go. That looks pretty good, huh? Dude.
Okay, so
They don't look as good as our tires, but they look pretty good.
And
yeah, this one is fine there because I'll put rivets down here.
Let me see your marker there.
Sure.
So right about there is the center of that. And then I'll measure up like I did to get these holes.
So what are we doing?
Okay, these are holes for the screws. This will go to the chassis. So we're gonna drill these out and install it on the chassis.
I'm looking for a center punch.
Yeah, I'm looking for the one I have. Big race? That big event, I guess. That'd be cool.
Operation. Feels pretty good. Double check that measurement, it didn't move. Before I lock it in. 2 inches. Go down just trim off a little bit off of there. That's a little bit proud. All these in here.
I'd say we had a pretty good build day. Our goal for the day was to get the tub installed, and it was a bit of a free-for-all, but we managed to get it in there, and it doesn't look too bad. It'll work out just fine. So the next build day is maybe next week, we haven't decided yet, but we're going to focus on the hoop for the cowl and the hoop for the seat back. And then we could start putting side panels on the body. We have to do some body work before we can lay out for the fiberglass parts. All right, thanks for watching everybody. See you on the next build day.